Alright everyone, back again. Um, I'm sure everybody's wondering, what what is he doing showing the lawnmower? Well, I just wanted to point something out. I'm sure everybody has been through it one time or another, as just as regular functioning individuals. Okay. But as special a lot of special educators, we can understand also when working with students with disabilities and limitations that things have to be accommodated. I just wanted to show y'all a prime example of how a regular, normal, functioning, physically fit person uh, can have the same problems, you know, and how I relate to it. As you can see here, my lawnmower is currently missing a wheel. Had a flat a couple weeks ago, and had to pull the tire off. And of course, when you say I have bricks up under the front of it, well, the whole reason for that was I do not have my floor jack, which is out at the farm, and I was by myself, so I was limited. So what I did have to do is I did have to get help from a neighbor, and while I picked up the front of it, he helped me slide the brick up under there. I really wouldn't have been able to do it without him unless I had, especially not having a jack. If I had a floor jack, I definitely could have done it myself, but that was just an example of me needing assistance and accommodations. So I guess accommodation was someone helping me, and the not having a floor jack, the brick, I guess, could also serve as an accommodation for getting it to stay lifted up. But I do have one slight problem. You may not be able to tell from the camera, but I have it propped up. There's still a problem. It's not quite high enough. I have the tire fixed, the new tire on the rim, and it's inflated, ready to go on. But the spindle right there in front of us that it fits on is not high enough. So I'm going to have to get this lawnmower lifted a little bit higher. And just the case the first time, it doesn't look like I would be able to do it myself. I'm going to need some help. Well, kind of corny maybe, but I was just pointing out how everyone has problems and completing tasks, and you know, same with special education students. To find the accommodations, sometimes you just have to get creative and deal with what you have already, which I'm sure a lot of you do, and maybe alter it or modify it to help serve your students. You know, of course, we all understand that we're working on tight budgets in the school system, and a lot of things we can't get approval for buying, but I understand everybody that has worked in special education with students that need accommodations at one point or another have had to be creative on their own, and I understand that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead, go to the garage, and see what we have going on with the Assistive Technology project. Alright, see y'all there.